Not sure if you can see this, but I have problems with brightness on my instrument cluster. I tried to increase it, decrease it, nothing works. So it looks like it went bad, probably backlight, but I would replace complete instrument cluster with the new one, and let me show you a few steps how to do that on your own. Let's first disconnect the battery. Always start by disconnecting the negative side and then the positive, and when putting everything back, first put positive side and then negative to avoid any problems. To remove the instrument cluster you need a tool like this. This is just a metal rod with bend at the end, so if you do not have a tool like this you could create one on your own, or basically I just got this from I think AliExpress. It's extremely cheap. And we put this one in this hole here and second one in the hole here, and what we do is just press it inside. You will feel plastic clip that it's undone, and then you move it in this direction so it gets hooked to the instrument cluster and pull it outside. Just to show you this mechanism, so basically you push it and this clip releases your instrument cluster, and when you move it in this direction you could hook it and then pull it out. What we also need to do is move our steering wheel furthest as possible from the instrument cluster so that we can remove it when we pull it out. So I just move that and let's proceed. To disconnect the instrument cluster, you would need to press here and pull this down, and this will release cables and you could pull them out, and that's it. Your instrument cluster is free. If you get used instrument cluster and install it in your car, you will probably notice that kilometers or miles, whatever you have configured, doesn't show correctly. This is because you need to sync this new instrument cluster with the car's computer, and for that you would need to go to proper service shop. You cannot do that on your own, and they have proper diagnostic to do that for you. So that would be it. Installment is just easy like it was to remove it. I hope this would be helpful for you, and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one.